Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking your camera and light so nothing shifts. That stability is the basis of smooth motion. Next, set 24 FPS and manual exposure. This keeps flicker out of your sequence. Then, make your first moves, small, consistent adjustments of roughly 0.5 degrees or 1/8 inch per frame. Once you capture 10-20 frames, play them back. You need to confirm motion and lighting before proceeding, because early corrections save long reworks later. Once your initial pattern is confirmed, maintain consistency. Use onion skin overlays or a reference frame to place each element relative to the last. You must lock focus manually and mark distance. Autofocus will shift and ruin continuity. If you need linear sweeps, attach a slider or motorized rig so movements repeat exactly. Between batches, check playback frequently. Small timing adjustments or slightly larger steps will change the perceived speed, so tweak now rather than later to avoid redoing hundreds of frames. You finish by importing at the original 24 FPS and scanning the sequence for hiccups. Apply a light digital stabilizer only to micro-wobble, because heavy stabilization can warp frames. To make movement feel natural, add 2 to 6 frames of ease in and ease out at starts and stops. That spacing mimics inertia. If you spot jitter, try reshooting the specific segment with smaller steps or apply directional motion blur in compositing. If all else fails, recheck mounting and lighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.